I love cats. I said I love cats. I love to eat them. Woo! Let's go! Woo! I love cats. I said I love cats. I love cats. I said I love to eat them. I love cats. I said I love cats. Woo! I love cats. I said I love to eat them. Woo! Make some noise in this place. My goodness, what a performance from our planet on planet Earth, planet RTF, and welcome to SNOWSTORM, the PPV! Oh yeah, but snowstorm, brr, it's cold up in here, it's snowing, oh yeah, it's snowing all over the place, brother. My goodness, you're right, Randy Savage, look at all this snow coming down. My goodness, I should have brought an extra jacket up in here. How you feeling tonight, Rock?
I'll tell you how I'm feeling. I want all this fake snow stop falling down. Got fake snow all over my $5,000 jersey. And stop playing around. Got aliens singing on here.
All right, Rock.
And what is this extra chair beside me for?
Oh, you'll see.
And stop playing around.
Oh, wow, look at this. Cowgirl Barbie is here tonight. Oh, we've got a special match scheduled for right now.
Oh, yeah, brother. We got the Barbies here. Let's go.
Oh, throwing hats at the fans here. But it's okay. It's her first time in the ring.
Let's go, Barbie. Let's go, Barbie. Brother.
And we got Princess Diana Barbie here as well.
Oh, yeah, brother. What kind of match is this one, Rizzy?
Oh, this is a special one. This is a bra petty. And make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button for us.
You said this is a what?
This is a bra and panties match. It seems like this Barbie likes to swing. Oh, likes to swing her hair. And swinging it she did. Just swept Princess Diana. Oh, and a slap right behind that.
Oh, damn. Oh, man.
Slap me. Oh, my goodness. Oh, these Barbies are going right out of here. I need to take a break.
Bro, a panty match, huh? Let me pull my glasses down. This might be good. Let me take my glasses right off.
Oh, Princess Diana. Oh, going for the ropes.
Timber!
Oh, look at the replay. Oh, what a suicide dive from Princess Diana. Oh, my goodness.
That one of them just far.
I ain't never seen no action like this.
This is so good.
Shut up, Rob. Okay.
Hey, who you telling shut up?
Look like I'm all right. Oh, God. Oh, move. You need to be checking on her. Move. My goodness, Princess Diana right back on the attack here. She is not playing any games in this matchup tonight.
Get her, Diana, get her. Let's go.
Come on. Let's go.
Now, what are the rules to the bra and panty match here?
Come on, girl. The rules are the top and the bottom must be removed from all the competitors. And the winner, oh my goodness, and the winner that did that is your winner. God goodness, Princess Diana, oh, just pull her hair here in this matchup. Pull her right across the ropes. Oh, no, cowboy.
What a slam! She gonna be feeling that one in the morning. Timber! Down goes Princess Diana!
Don't you tell me, come on. Oh, and a slap right behind that. Cowgirl Barbie is not playing tonight. Oh, now using the ropes to choke her opponent. Good God. Attacking the throat of Princess Diana.
They need to hurry up and take the bra and panties off. What's going on with this match?
All right, Rob. Settle down over there.
Y'all got this stupid alien over here. And he does know I can hear him, right? I don't care if you can hear me, stupid bear alien, bear-looking animal.
All right, Ron. Attacking our commentating team over here. Oh! Cowgirl Barbie is taking the bottoms off of Princess Diana.
Wow, I've never seen this at the Tanner family house.
I'm a witness to
And you ain't gonna never see it no more. Get this stupid alien away from me.
All right, Rock, settle down over there. Got going on. This is the Christmas episode. We need to show some compassion here. But it seems like Cowgirl Barbie has no compassion for her opponent tonight. Oh!
Get her! Got the comb in the hair. No, that had to hurt.
You got that right, Randy Savage.
Hey, y'all kept playing around. I done missed the part where she took the bottoms off. Come on, playing around here. Oh, yeah. Now this is getting good now. Hit her again with that chair. Hit her again with that chair. Oh, yeah, they got the slow motion replay.
Somebody call the paramedic. Oh, no.
Can somebody explain to me why they're hitting people with chairs on the show? Because sometimes you got to use that steel chair, brother. I've never seen action like this, and I have not either.
Playing. You are not supposed to be using chairs in this type of matchup here.
On the table.
My goodness. They get too close to the table like the Rock said.
Oh, get her, Princess Diana. This is getting good now. Hit her with a rock bottom now. Throw a rock bottom on.
All right, Rock.
Oh, no.
Take that.
Oh, my goodness. I'm fucking out.
Oh, should we call Dominion Power? I just saw an electrical wire get shocked up. The girls are going crazy.
Is that right, Alf? Just ducked it. Oh, my God. Oh. We might need Dominion Power after this. These girls have knocked over our electrical equipment here. Good God. Oh, my God.
Get him away from this table. I told y'all about that.
Oh, no.
It seems like Princess Diana is now going for the bottom of Cowgirl Barbie. She already took the top off. Oh, and she just got the bottoms.
Look at her pants.
Ring that bell. Princess Diana is declared the winner. My goodness.
But now she got the top and the bottoms. Oh, yeah. Now, why they got the censor block up here for? They wasn't even no purpose in this match. If they're going to do some stuff like this.
Me.
Come on. I'm
right.
sick of this stuff already. What type of action is this? They supposed to take the top and the bottoms off? I never seen some stuff like this.
This is called a bra panties match, Alf.
Well, I've never seen no stuff like this at the Tanner family home. My gosh. Ref had to throw those pants to her. And maybe you need to go back to the Tanner family home. What?
Rock, settle down being rude to that alien.
Let's do an intermission. I had enough.
All right, Rock. See you next time.